Oh, this one's really heavy. I shouldn't have to sell this. Looks like somebody collected movie posters. Nice little $150 bill. Oh, sorry, I gotta answer something. Is that another big? Is that Oscar? What is it? Don't want to steal it.